gaming world continues to buzz with excitement as 2024 draws to a close, setting the stage for an action-packed 2025. With PUBG Mobile's culturally inspired aesthetic updates, Xbox's ever-growing catalog, and an impending return of Free Fire within India's borders, the industry's innovative surprises are endless. Meanwhile, the classics such as Call of Duty might get a fresh resurrection through Xbox Game Pass, while the whole of January is expected to start with a bang as it rolls out some of the major titles across platforms. GadInsider has rounded up the top stories in the gaming world for the week to keep you updated on everything in the industry. The newest PUBG Mobile event, Sacred Quartet, is inspired by Japanese culture. New visuals, elemental powers, and the unique floating island adventure are among the features this update brings. Players can choose from fire, water, wind, and nature abilities, each with its gameplay mechanics. One of these highlights includes Panda, a two-seater animal vehicle that rolls to shield players. Set for the 3.6 update, it promises to maintain the superiority of its immersive content, as one will elevate the PUBGM experience. The magnificent title lineup of Xbox 2024 includes Senua's Saga Hellblade 2, Indiana Jones and the Great Circle, and many others. A game frequently talked about for 2025, however, has been pushed to 2026. Reportedly, industry source Jeff Grubb guessed during the Game Awards livestream that it might refer to Perfect Dark, Fable, or Gears of War E-Day. Meanwhile, what will probably be delayed will not deprive fans of The Outer Worlds 2, as the game has been slated for a 2025 release. Classic Call of Duty titles such as Advanced Warfare, World War II, and Modern Warfare 2007 were recently added to the Microsoft Store, sparking speculation about their inclusion in Xbox Game Pass. Fans are eager to relive iconic campaigns and multiplayer modes that shaped the franchise. However, an official announcement from Microsoft is still awaited. January 2025 is packed with exciting game launches. Highlights include Wuthering Waves January 2nd, Donkey Kong Country Returns HD for January 16th, Final Fantasy VII Rebirth January 23, and Marvel's Spider-Man 2 for January 30th. With titles ranging from RPGs to action-adventures, gamers have a thrilling lineup to kickstart the year. After the successful launch of Dragon Age, the Veilguard, BioWare is focusing on Mass Effect 5. Snippets tease it with a connection to rebuilt mass relays and with Andromeda. There won't be any big announcements in 2025, but fans may expect development updates and possibly a teaser at the Game Awards. Garena's famous battle royale title, Free Fire, is speculated to be back in the Indian market. The excitement among fans has been rekindled after the company's job postings. The release date hasn't been confirmed yet, but the localized version should abide by Indian regulations, bringing in region-specific experiences.